Good morning. Happy Thursday, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. You saying good morning? Yes, you are. You did that, boo. You did that. Yes, you did. My kitchen sink is being worked on, so they had to take that apart. So, yeah, we were in the bathroom heating the food up. All right, I'll say good morning to everybody, honey bunny. Yeah, good girl. Mm-hmm. Yes. Say, Boobie still got to eat. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay. What? What you say to mama? Get low, low, low. I need one more hand. Oh, I don't have it. Oh, got it. I got it. I got it. Whoa. Exciting. Exciting. Huh? I know I'm being careful. She said, be careful, mama. It is Thursday already, y'all. It is the damn, it's the 14th, huh? Huh? It's gonna be in the 70s today, I think. That boobie's gotta eat. Okay, baby girl. Yeah, come around on that side. All right, y'all. We will return later on today.